Let's create this pattern. For this, first we need to start with the string, original string, which is set to hello. Then we need to create an empty string called pattern to store the pattern that will be generated from this. Okay, after this it reverses the original string, so hello becomes OLLEH. This is stored in the reverse string. Okay, then it adds the original string followed by a new line character to the pattern. So at this point pattern contains hello, then new line. Okay, after this we need to create a enter into a loop that starts from the second character, which is E, to the last second character, which is L. Okay, so this loop is controlled by the variable I. Let's close this loop. What will happen inside this loop? Let's see. So next it enters into the loop that start from the second character E. We will see that. So inside the loop it adds the current character from the original string to the pattern. For example, in the first iteration it adds E. Then it enter into another loop controlled by the variable J. Okay, so inside this we have another loop which is J. Then inside this loop also start from the second character E and adds at the second to last character L of the original string. So it is controlled by J. Inside this loop it adds spaces to the pattern. Okay, so it adds space for the same number of character as the length of the original string is hello. So -2 because we don't want to add spaces for the first and last character. So in this case it adds 3 spaces because the original string length is 5. So after adding spaces it adds the current character from the reverse string corresponding to the position. So for example, in the first iteration it adds L from the reverse string OLLEH. Then it adds a new line character to move the next line, to move the character to the next line. Okay, so this process continues for each character in the original string. After the loop finish, it add the pattern to the reverse string and then just print it. Let's see if it is working or not. So we have an error because we didn't close the correctly. Okay, yes, let's see now. So it is working now.